Hello.
And a majestic dog. I don't know, where are you saying hello to?
That thing, the pickup truck.
It's the Batmobile. Yeah. Yes, it is.
But it looks like it.
It's the Batmobile. Deal with it. The T-Rex thingies.
No, this is a different one.
Oh, for God's sakes.
It's a slingshot.
Just got Dunkin' Donuts. What you doing, boy? Starbucks is where it's at. I just accidentally zoomed in on the license plate. I don't even know if anyone can.
Stop.
Okay. Alright, don't yell at me, I'm filming. I don't know what's happening. I understand cars only a little bit. Help me. Oh my God, dogs! One bay looks good.
Extra pair of pants in that car. Can I have some?
Hi.
Stop filming.
Really almost knocked my phone out of my hand, Nico.
Yeah, great.
No. Today she would have been 135, and then in a month she would have been 136.
Wow.
And she died at 87.
Wow.
Wendy.
No.